Hello, we are the Team 6 and we integrated by
Eric,
me, Daniela,
Melissa,
and David.
and we present the linear model number 6. Our professor is Martin Nicolas Ricci.
And we are group 3.
The topic of the problem is linear model. The problem says, a small appliance manufacturer finds that if he produces X toaster ovens in a month, his production cost is given by the equation Y equals to CX plus 3000.
You can see the flowchart. First of all, we have to analyze the problem. Then we have to make a graph. After that, we have to answer the question. And finally, we have to do the conclusion.
This is a standard equation, y equals to 6x plus 3000. Then the general equation, that is 6x minus y plus 3000 equals to 0. Then this is the slope, m equals to 6. The y-intercept, you need to, x is equal to 0 and you need to isolate y. And the answer is 3000. And then in the x-intercept, you need to isolate x and y is equals to 0, and the answer is x is equals minus 500.
This is the graph. In the x-axis, the line crosses in minus 500, and in the y-axis, the line crosses in 3000. In the first question that says, what do the slope and y-intercept of the graph represent? The slope represents a production cost per toaster. The y-intercept represents monthly fixed cost.
The second question said, find the production cost after he produced 150 toaster ovens. This is the operation. That is y is equals to 6x plus 3000. Then x is equals to 150. And the operation says y is equal to 6 multiplied by 150 plus 3000. Then is y is equals to 900 plus 3000, and the result is y is equal to 3900. Y is measured in dollars.
The third question said that as more toaster ovens are produced, would the production cost increase or decrease? Increase, because the production cost is more per toaster, and if there are many toasters, there are more production costs. The production cost increases as long as the manufacturer produces toasters. You only need to look to the slope to answer this question.
Problem extension. Other specific applications in the real life are demand curve that illustrate the relationship between the price of a product and the quantity consumers are willing to buy. The second one is supply curve that shows the relationship between the prices and quantities of products business are willing to produce. The third one is interest rates that shows the model and the relationship between investment and interest rates, which show that as interest rates increase, the general level of investment will decrease and increase. And the last one is travel that show the distance can be modeled as a linear equation to show the relationship in speed and time.
In conclusion, we learned how to make a linear equations problems, and it's very useful in our daily life. For example, in the companies are used in cost and to know the gains and losses that will take the company. Here we can see the bibliography that we use a book of mathematics 3, and then we almost use Wolfram Alpha. It's a website.